Here's an old song, one of the first songs we did about 6.5, 7 years ago. It's called The Good King's Service. It's maybe 6 ago, so here we go. So. Where have you been, there, Johnny? Where have you been? In the good King's service away across the sea, across the sea. How did you fare, Johnny? How did you fare? With the rats and the scurvy and the cold winters there, cold winters there. And hope of a promised land turned into lies as the good King's merchants had gold in their eyes, gold in their eyes. What did you see there, Johnny? What did you see? In the good King's service away across the sea, across the sea.